Hi everyone, I am Wafa Langao and welcome you all in Grammar in Detail. Today we have got the ditransitive verb pay from active voice into passive voice, how we are going to change it. Now, before starting the topic pay, ditransitive verb pay, we will discuss the definition of ditransitive verbs. You can also pronounce it ditransitive verbs. Di means to, and transitive, which can be changed from active voice into passive voice. Verb shows an action. So those verbs which need two objects and can be changed in passive voice into four ways are called the ditransitive or the detransitive verbs. They need one direct object and one indirect object. Direct object means all non-livings and indirect object means all livings. So all non-livings will be called the direct and all livings will be called the indirect objects. So ditransitive verbs need two objects. Why do they need two objects? We will discuss the ditransitive verb pay. Here we will be having the examples for it. Suppose if I say you pay him. Now what do you pay him? The sense is not clear. If I say you pay money, now whom do you pay money? For example, and here you need to bring the indirect and direct object together to complete the sense of your ditransitive verb pay. If I say you pay him money, so here it is having one indirect object and one direct object. Here the sense is clear and complete to us. Now if you want to say that indirect, I will bring in place of direct object and direct object in the place of indirect object. So keep in your mind, here we will your indirect object will be followed by a preposition. Suppose I say you pay money to him. You pay money to him, so means you are paying the person. And if I say you pay money for him, so it means over here that you are paying instead of him. You are filling his requirements or whatever, just you are providing the money instead of him. But over there to him means he is the person, he is receiver then. So different prepositions will give different meanings according to the usage you will be using it. Now we will discuss how we are going to change the ditransitive verbs from active voice into passive voice. One thing should be in your mind, we will discuss how to change them from active voice into passive voice in four ways. And today we will be discussing the modal auxiliary verb can. We have already discussed some other modal auxiliary verbs. Now we will be discussing can. Can is a modal auxiliary verb. It is used for possibility of an action 50%. When you've got the possibility of an action done 50%, there you will be using the modal auxiliary verb can. And we will discuss today the modal auxiliary verb can with the ditransitive verbs from active voice into passive voice. First we will be discussing the simple sentences. What are simple sentences? Those sentences which make simple statement are called simple sentences. And she can pay him fee, she can pay fee to him. Now over there, first is coming indirect object, then the direct object. If you want to bring the direct object, so indirect object will be followed by a preposition like here with to. Now there are four ways to change them from active voice into passive voice. Before changing them into passive voice, we need to little bit discuss about the definition. This should be in your mind. First we will be bringing the indirect object, means the living object in the place of subject, E, and in second sentence as well E. And after that, in third and fourth sentence you will bring the direct object, means the fee at the beginning. One change you will bring, by her will come at the beginning, fee at the end, fee at the beginning, by her at the end, and by her at the beginning, to him at the end, to him at the beginning, by her at the end. And one another thing, when this object takes the place of subject, here your subjects are called not the doer of an action, which I am circling now. Keep in your mind here in number 1, 2, 3rd and 4th sentence, these all which I have circled here, these are called subject, but in subject they are called the title or topic subject. What do we mean by title or topic subject, which we are talking about? And your last word by is your agent, the doer of an action, and here it will not be called the object. This must be clear to you people, by So first way to change it, he can be paid by fee, he can be paid fee by fee can be paid by to him, fee can be paid to him by her. Next we have got the negative sentences. Those sentences in which we deny the statement, reject the statement and refuse the statement are called negative sentences. She cannot pay him fee, she cannot pay fee to him. He cannot be paid fee by he cannot be paid by fee, he cannot be paid fee by fee cannot be paid by to him, fee cannot be paid to him by Next we have got the interrogative sentences. Those sentences in which we ask question or put queries are called the interrogative sentences. Can she pay him fee? Can she pay fee to her or him? And then in passive voice, can he be paid by fee? Can he be paid fee by Can fee be paid by to him? Can fee be paid to him by Next we have got the formal sentences of ditransitive verbs. And what are the formal sentences? Complete name for the formal sentences are interrogative, negative, formal sentences. What are formal sentences? Those sentences in which we ask question, deny the statement and we ask them in a polite way, formal way and respective way are called formal sentences. Can she not pay him fee? Can she not pay fee to him? And in passive voice, can he not be paid by fee? Can he not be paid fee by her? Can fee not be paid by her to him? Can fee not be paid to him by her? Next, at the end, we have got informal sentences, which is the opposite of the formal sentences. What are the informal sentences? Those sentences in which we ask question, deny the statement, and we ask them in an informal way, in a friendly atmosphere, and we use it with youngers, juniors, etc. And sentences, when you bring the informal sentences, cannot at the beginning, so over there you will change it into contracted, and short form cannot is can't she pay him fee? Can't she pay fee to him? Passive voice, can't he be paid by her fee? Can't he be paid fee by her? Can't fee be paid by her to him? Can't fee be paid to him by her? So these are the sentences of ditransitive verb pay from active voice into passive voice. Hope you got today's lecture. If you have not subscribed the channel, so subscribe the channel, press the bell icon to get some more videos about grammar. Wish you best of luck. Goodbye.